A kitchen can be so much more than a space to cook. It can also function as a spot to eat, a place to gather with friends and family, or even a workstation. With so many ideas out there to pull from, it can be hard to know where to begin, especially if this is your first kitchen remodel. Here are some guiding principles to keep in mind that'll guarantee your kitchen renovation is a success. First and foremost, create a budget to address your kitchen renovation costs. This will help you focus on the goals that are most important to you and your kitchen remodel, and will help you prioritize what materials and appliances you want to invest in most. Determine your goals for the space, and design from there. With consideration for your family's lifestyle needs, develop a set of goals for your kitchen space. Are you someone who cooks often? Do you imagine this will also be a place to entertain, or for your kids to focus on homework? Take into consideration other factors such as storage space, as well as ease of cleaning. Complement your goals with a folder or mood board for your kitchen remodel ideas. This will not only help you visualize the layout, but help you narrow in on a color palette or design style. Carve out a budget that allows for expert advice. Renovating a kitchen is no easy feat. While a DIY model might seem like a budget-friendly approach, relying on the help of experts can help you save time and money in the long run. Designers and contractors know all the tricks of the trade, from quality materials to storage hacks. Consider both form and function in your design. Whether you have a big or small kitchen remodel, there's no limit to the amount of ways you can maximize the space to ensure it's as functional as it is beautiful. Consider the busiest areas in your kitchen to ensure the kitchen layout is efficient. For example, interior designers often refer to the high-functioning space between the sink, stove, and refrigerator as the work triangle. Also, take into account the placement of the dishwasher to the sink. Is the dishwasher next to the sink so that it doesn't have to drip water when moving dishes? If you have an island, is there sufficient space on all sides to allow for foot traffic? Pick out appliances early on. While appliances are often added to the kitchen last, it's important to pick them out early on. Not only can they be back-ordered for months at a time, but narrowing in on appliances will help you better plan the design for your kitchen. Make a personal statement through tile. Picking a backsplash that's unique to you and your kitchen design is critical, as it's often the primary focal point in any kitchen. A backsplash can help pull together all the design elements within your kitchen so that it's cohesive, but it can also serve as a way to make a statement that is uniquely you. From jewel-toned herringbone to monochromatic Moroccan fish scale tile, Mercury Mosaics has the kitchen tile backsplash ideas to fit any design vision. Of course, complex or classic design statements can also be made through kitchen tile flooring. The perfect place to start gathering kitchen remodel ideas is on our website. Find a link in the description.